Today's our CryptoBlades Play to Earn gameplay number 108. So check natin yung first combat natin, Lightning Element Warrior. Then check natin yung ating CryptoBlades Tracker Combat Simulator para ma-check natin yung may pinakamataas na win rate. Okay, based sa results ng ating Combat Simulator CryptoBlades Tracker, for our first warrior, makakakuha tayo ng 100% win rate by using Lightning Element Sword. Okay, so nilabanan natin yung first opponent na 1,600 plus attack power. Nanalo naman tayo. Second warrior, Water Element. Okay, may dalawang very likely. Paggagamit tayo ng Lightning Element Sword, ganun din. Check natin yung CryptoBlades Tracker Combat Simulator. Okay, now sa second combat natin, much better kung gagamit tayo ng Lightning Element Sword para sa ating Water Element Warrior. Bibigyan tayo nito ng mas mataas na skill rewards and 150 pa yung XP. So, papalitan natin ng Lightning Sword, lalabanan natin tong first opponent, fight. Okay, nanalo uli yung second combat natin. Third combat, Water Element. Okay, pagka Lightning Element na sword ang ginamit natin, 82% win rate, pero pag Water Element sword din, mababa. So for our third combat, gagamit tayo ng Lightning Element sword pa rin para sa ating Water Element Warrior. Ayan, and then lalabanan natin yung first opponent. Okay, nanalo uli yung third warrior natin. So fourth warrior, Lightning Element Combat, Lightning Element Sword. Okay, may dalawang Water Element opponent na very likely victory. Lalabanan ko tong first opponent. Okay, nanalo naman tayo guys. So lahat ng warriors natin nanalo, and checking yung total balance ng ating skill rewards, umangat ng 3,6700 yung ating skill rewards. So copy na natin yan and i-track na natin dito. Now, kung i-check natin yung ating earning for this combat, kumita tayo ng 0.0406 skill. Before we calculate our skill rewards, makikita natin sa CoinGecko website na ang current price action or value ng CryptoBlades skill ay bumaba by 1%. So 1 CryptoBlades skill token is equal to 239.27 pesos. Ayan. So kumita lang tayo ng 9.71 pesos for this combat. And then if we calculate our accumulated skill earnings, meron tayong 878 pesos. Ayan. Itong mga values na na-calculate natin sa rewards na nakuha natin for this combat, CryptoBlades Play to Earn gameplay number 108, and yung accumulated rewards natin, these are based sa current price action ng CryptoBlades skill token sa cryptocurrency market. And nagbabago-bago kasi ang price action or value ng CryptoBlades skill token due to the volatility of the market. Ipagpapatuloy ko pa rin maglaro nito kahit na nakikita natin na medyo these past few days or weeks talagang bumababa na ang value ng skill. And then sana umabot talaga dun sa time na aangat uli siya, and then that's the time na magte-take profit na tayo para mas mataas yung makuha nating rewards kapag ka nag-withdraw tayo. And that by that time, for sure, gagawa natin yan ng video. For now, magtsatsaga muna ako mag-accumulate as much as possible hanggat kaya ng oras ko. So, more fruitful gains everyone. I'll see you again on our next vlog. Bye for now.